everyone, if you do have a client that does turn out to be sensitive to the adhesive or allergic, please don't keep lashing them, because they all contain cyanoacrylate. And what they tend to react to when they get the puffy lids is the cyanoacrylate. People like to say, oh, it's the formaldehyde. No, it's the cyanoacrylate. So if you go and switch to a sensitive formula, you're knowingly going and putting the exact same ingredient that they're allergic to on them again. So the reaction may not be there the first couple times you use it, but it would probably start showing up later. And it's just not worth it, because do you think your insurance company is going to want to cover you if you already know she's sensitive and then you go and put the same product on her again? No, probably not. So I don't even patch test with sensitive adhesive. I just say it's not a good idea. It is your eye area. You only get one set of eyes. How about you go home with the lash growth serum instead today, or you can start doing lash lifts instead.